My name's Mario Hodge. We've been in business for, well, this coming year we'll have been in business for 50 years. We've been in this location since 1981. We were originally down on Perkins in 71, since 71. We do a lot of shoe repair, but not just shoe repair. We do a lot of orthopedic repair. So if you've got like one leg that's shorter than the other, we can build up your shoe and so that you can walk level again. We carry a lot of work boots, Red Wing, Danner, Carolina, Irish Setter. Thank you, sir. And then we carry a lot of Western boots like Double H, Dan Post, Tony Lama, Justin, just to name a few. And then we carry a lot of accessories, a lot of wallets, belts, buckles. We even carry patches to put on your biker jackets. We sew on so many biker jackets patches that we've decided to sell some, and we've got a case full of them right now.